I bet you didn't know you can supercharge your memory with just a few tricks. Let's dive in. Secret 1. Chunk it. Break big info into small chunks. Like remembering 123, 456, 789 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This method helps your brain process and store information more efficiently. Think of it as giving your brain bite-sized pieces to chew on rather than overwhelming it with a huge chunk. Secret 2. Mnemonics. Use fun acronyms like ROY G by V for rainbow colors. Mnemonics are like little memory aids that make recalling information easier and more fun. They can be acronyms, rhymes, or even silly sentences. Secret 3. Spaced repetition. Review stuff at increasing intervals, 20 minutes, 1 hour, and so on. This technique leverages the spacing effect, which is the idea that information is better retained when it's reviewed over spaced intervals rather than crammed in a short period. Secret 4. Visualize. Picture stuff in your mind. Like imagining groceries in your kitchen. Visualization helps create a mental image of the information, making it easier to recall. The more vivid and detailed the image, the better. Secret 5. Association. Link new info to something familiar. Think of a rose to remember someone named Rose. By associating new information with something you already know, you create a mental bridge that makes it easier to retrieve the new information later. Secret 6. Memory Palace. Place info in familiar locations in your mind. Walk through it to recall. The Memory Palace technique involves visualizing a familiar place and placing the information you want to remember in specific locations within that place. As you mentally walk through the palace, you can retrieve the information. Secret 7. Rhyming. Make a rhyme to remember rules. Like I before E, except after C. Rhymes are catchy and easy to remember, making them a great tool for memorizing rules and facts. Secret 8. Sing it. Turn info into a catchy song. Singing information can make it more memorable because music engages different parts of the brain. Secret 9. Teach others. Explaining things helps you remember too. Teaching forces you to organize your thoughts and understand the material deeply, which reinforces your memory. Secret 10. Mind map. Draw diagrams to connect ideas. Mind maps are visual representations of information that show relationships between different concepts. They help you see the big picture and how everything is connected. Secret 11. Alliteration. Use the same starting sounds. Like Smiling Sam. Alliteration makes phrases more memorable by repeating the same initial sounds. Secret 12. Stay active. Exercise boosts brain power. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, which can improve cognitive function and memory. Use these tricks daily and watch your memory skills soar. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you'll find that remembering information becomes easier and more natural. Happy memorizing!